Further ozone depletion. Here's a review of what you guys have learned about ozone formation and destruction. As you know, there is a continuous formation and destruction of ozone, and this is kept at the equilibrium called the steady state. In this state, oxygen molecule breaks down into two radicals, which then forms an ozone molecule with another oxygen molecule. This process is happening all the time, along with the destruction of the ozone molecule, which breaks down and forms oxygen radicals and oxygen molecule. So now I will talk more about how this is done. When there's an oxygen molecule, it will break into two oxygen radicals. This is done by UV rays from the sun hitting the oxygen molecule and breaking them apart. The oxygen molecule is hit with a high energy UV ray that is around 241 nanometers, which is a short wavelength. The breaking down of ozone is similar too, as it also needs UV rays, but the UV rays it needs differs from the one that oxygen molecule needs, because this one uses a longer wavelength of 362 nanometers, which has less energy. From this, we get the idea that the energy needed to break down the ozone and the oxygen molecule is different. The oxygen molecule has a stronger bond, that's why it needs a wavelength of higher energy to break it down. This also supports the theory that ozone bonding is somewhere between a single bond and a double bond, as described by the delocalized structure.